Let's design a tray swag today for fall. This one's gonna be featuring this very beautiful paprika, orangey pink colored leaf spray. And we're using just one of these leaf sprays. We'll have two little pumpkin picks today, the rustling leaves pumpkin picks. We'll have a pink berry spray. It's pink to orange, gradiated in color. It's a currant berry. And then the bundle that you're gonna get of bendy vine comes wrapped like this, and you can separate it out into a couple of different pieces so that you can put the bendy vine in layers. That's how that comes apart in your bundle. So that is your kit today. No ribbon in this kit. You may be able to add a ribbon if you would like. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we need to do is get our leaf spray at the back. So we're going to lose our extra stem length because today we're not making anything that requires a stem. We're just going to make a piece to lay in a tray. So I'm going to take my stem and shape it so that we create something a little bit more balanced, even though it's all meant to go one direction. If you pull some of the tips back another way, you can end up with a background that looks somewhat balanced. So we've got 4 stems going different directions here, and that becomes our base. Then we're gonna lay in our bigger chunk of the bendy vine twig. So it's just a wired wrap twig. This piece here is quite long. It's gonna come in handy when you're styling your tray to have those extra pieces sticking out. They really add a lot of character to your design. Next up, let's put these leaf sprays end to end here. Fortunately, they have leaves that make them look nice and full. So we're going to separate and fan out, there we go, the leaves on each pick so that they're not stuck on top of each other. And put them end to end, meaning press the 2 pumpkins up to each other here. There we go. That's working out great. And you've got a nice, airy, open start to it here. The key, I think, to a really fun tray design is not overfilling it and making it so solid that you can't add your tray components. So this will be nice and airy with extra space for our candlesticks, our extra pumpkins. We're gonna shape out this little berry spray. It's the currant berry. Of course, it has a stem. No need to cut that. You can use this looking like a twig also. Just kind of spiral it up, get it out of the way, nestle it in here between the pumpkins. There we are. And that way you get a nice little detailed filler stem going on. So now we've got berries, leaves, and branches. One last little piece of branch to lay in there, and then we can work on wiring it all together. Now for good measure, I usually make hangers on things just because you never know later, do you want a hanger? So I'd probably say this looks almost like a vertical swag. If I were making a hanger, it might go on one end, so it would hang up and down. It's up to you, it's your design. If you would like us to put the design together for you, you can purchase the kit or bundle and we will assemble it. You can just request that in the order notes that you'd like it assembled for you. And then our team will simply add on a little bit of labor for the time to put it together, and it will be done when it arrives to you. It doesn't take us long at all. The whole team will be working on it right away Monday. So this is the wired swag. Let me get my second wire in place. And you'll have a nice open airy alternative kind of color, not true orange, somewhere in a softer color palette. There we have it. Now the last part of the arranging step is to shape it. So our shaping simply means you might need to bend and lift some stems, rotate a pumpkin, fluff out a berry. You could curl your vines and make a loop if you'd like to. Just secure it on the back end of the pumpkin there. Pull a leaf spray up if you want height in your tray. How do you want your tray to look? What kind of components stand in the tray? Can you wind these around your candlesticks, for instance? So all kinds of little twiggy pieces to play with in this look. It remains open and airy to feature your extra filler pieces. And it's the perfect tray stem filler for the fall season ahead.